Our friends, our networks, they shape what information we have access to. They shape what we believe. They shape our aspirations. They shape whom we trust. They shape access to resources such as job opportunities and so on. So here we work with friendship data among 2.1 billion Facebook users across 183 countries, almost 600 billion friendship links between them. We're going to start by looking at intergenerational income mobility. In places where poor people have more cross-class connections, more upward mobility in Spain. Right? Maybe the networks are the mediating factor between the Great Gatsby curve. And so in terms of pop culture references, maybe what we really want is a Goodwill Hunting curve. Remember that movie where, the janitor meets the MIT professor and gets mentored by the MIT professor and gets helped put on a better life? Right? That movie? Maybe that's truly what's going on. It's the networks, not the inequality per se, that are the key driving force. Again, we need public libraries. We need parks. We need places where cities can function, where this whole, sidewalk ballet from Jane Jacobs can actually work, right? Because if all social interaction happened in people's homes, once you realize social capital matters, there's not just one thing. There's a million small things, and each and every one of us has some lever we can pull.